The cabin air filter in your 2025 Toyota Camry is crucial for maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. It traps dust, pollen, mold spores, and other contaminants before they enter through the HVAC system. This video will guide you through the simple DIY process of replacing it, saving you time and money. We'll cover the filter's location, the tools you'll need, and a step-by-step replacement procedure. First, ensure your Camry is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition. Open the glove box and empty its contents. Next, release the glove box stops. These are usually small tabs or screws on either side of the glove box. Push inward on the sides of the glove box or remove the screws to allow it to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. You'll see a plastic cover securing the filter housing. This cover is held in place by clips or screws. Unclip or unscrew the cover and carefully pull it off. Now you can access the old cabin air filter. Note the orientation of the filter, including the direction of the airflow arrows before removing it. Gently pull the old filter out and dispose of it properly. With the new filter in place, reattach the filter housing cover by securing it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Then lift the glove box back into position and re-engage the glove box stops to ensure it closes properly. For best results, replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or at least once a year, adjusting based on your driving conditions, such as urban pollution or dusty roads. Choose a high-quality OEM filter or one with HEPA-like performance, which can capture up to 99% of airborne particles, providing superior air quality in your Camry. Always wear gloves when handling the filter to avoid transferring dirt or oils from your skin, which could contaminate the new filter and reduce its effectiveness. If you experience reduced AC performance or notice musty odors, it's likely time to change your cabin air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and allows contaminants to enter, causing these issues. Ensure the filter is installed correctly to avoid leaks or reduced efficiency. Neglecting filter changes can lead to mold buildup in the evaporator core, resulting in costly repairs. If you're unsure about any step, consult your Toyota service manual or seek assistance from a qualified mechanic.